I like to show you how to make a perfect 4-loop bow. I recommend cutting the ribbon to length at the end. But if you need to cut the ribbon fast, about 2 yards should be enough for this box. Let's get started. Make a loop on the tail, then release it and place it where you want to make a bow. Wrap around it horizontally. At the point, cross the right end under the longer end of ribbon and pull it upwards to the right. Hold the crossed part with your finger and make a loop with the longer end ribbon pointing upwards. Make another loop on the left and another one on the right. Gather the loops together in the center and hold firmly. Take the shorter ribbon on the right and fold the edge slightly. Wrap it around the loops 1.5 round, then bring it to the front. Let's zoom in. Then bring it to the front and tuck it under the knot. Pull it out to the left side. To tighten it, pull the bottom of loops on both the left and right sides. This method is for one-sided ribbon, but even it's a double-sided ribbon makes it look nicer. Adjust the bow neatly. Trim both tails to the desired length. Finally, adjust the bow one more time. A lovely 4-loop bow is complete.